Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with her lion planner. Today is Saturday. Next Monday, I'm going to do a drawing and give away this planner. So, hold on a second. My husband came in and left the door open and the birds are going crazy. Okay, so what they did was, last year, Lion Planner reached out to me and said, would you be interested in doing a review of our planner? And I said, sure. So they sent one that I could give away, and then one that was, they gave me one to use. I wanted a specific size, and it was damaged, and I was like, that's okay, don't worry about it, I'm totally fine with that. And, you know, as crafters, we can fix anything, you know, just put a sticker on it. But anyway, so they reached out to me this year, as many of you know, because I've already done a big unboxing of this, and they offered us, first they offered me 3 planners and y'all 3 planners. Well, I said, I'm good with one, and you don't have to offer me anything, but thank you. And, you know, first, thank you. Wow, that's amazing. And 3 planners to give away. So this is our first giveaway. So these are Undated planners. This is a daily planner. It is super nice for those of you who work. It's an hourly planner. You have the important, insignificant list, you know, like things you know you have to do, but you're just going to put them there. But, you know, top priority for the day, my goals, day in review, accomplishments. You circle the day and you put the date. Now, let me try. There's your monthly. And then in the beginning, I mean, go back to the review. You can see all of these. And then there's all the mind maps and things to kind of get started for the year. And then I think there's more notes in the back and contacts. So this is a phenomenal planner. I mean, I can't say that enough. So, how do you win this planner? Okay, here's how you win. First, you must be subscribed to the channel. That's the first thing. Second, you must be 18 years or older. Third, you must live in the United States, because I haven't figured out international shipping yet. That's not just crazy priced. And then the last thing you need to do, so be subscribed. And you have to be subscribed. Be 18 years or older, live in the United States, and lastly, leave in the comments below, you know, put me in the drawing, and then tell me how you'd use this planner. So, because so many of y'all tell me how you use something, and then you say, take me out of the drawing because I already have something. And I so appreciate that. I mean, you're just doing that to encourage everybody, and I love that. You guys are amazing. But if you are interested in being in the drawing, tell me how you'd use this planner, and say, I want to be in the drawing. Okay? The drawing will be Monday. Today is Saturday. So you don't have much time. No, let's do the drawing Tuesday. I'll do the drawing Tuesday. Let me take that back out. I do want to give you some time. So that'll give you Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I will post on Wednesday. So I will take comments through the end of Tuesday midnight. And I'm just going to go with my time zone, which is Central United States. And, yeah, and those of you that are overseas, if you have a friend that lives in the United States and they're willing for me to ship to them and then they could ship to you, you could totally enter. I mean, there's a way to get around these things. I know. Anyway, so I'm super excited. This is an 8.5 by 11 U.S. letter size planner, and these are gorgeous. The paper's fantastic. The covers are so nice. They're pliable, but they're really substantial. And here's the back, and there you go. So this is the Lion Planner, our first drawing in September for the planner. So, okay, friends. If you like this video, subscribe. That's how you get into all these drawings and all these fun events right now, the camps and all that good stuff. Leave a comment, especially if you want to be in the drawing, and you know how you have to leave what you have to say, and share this video if you think there's somebody else who might be interested. Pass this video along. You have until Tuesday midnight. So, all right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you to Lion Planner. Please, thank you. We so appreciate you, and we so appreciate how kind you've been to the channel. So, all right, friends, I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.